Namaskar. Everybody carries a dream to serve the community where we serve and grow. And we also had such a dream. I still remember 11th April 2014 when I was traveling to Mahabaleshwar with Anil and Sunil for President-elect training seminar, and we were discussing a good global plan project our club can take up, and we all were of the view that dialysis service center is definitely a good project which can serve the society and is a needy project for the community. And I found that Anil had a very good knowledge on this project, so we thought of persisting with it. But somehow we could not realize this dream for so many years. But when in 2020, when we met Shri Bhanji D. Khimji Lifeline Hospital staff and people, we found that yes, here we can have our project, and as such, with the help of district officers of 3170 and members of our Rotary Club Hubli South, we thought of carrying out this project, and with their great help, we could take up this project and have been able to successfully implement it. And I am truly sure that in future, with the help of Shri Bhanji D. Khimji Lifeline Hospital and the members of Rotary Club of Hubli South, will take this project to a new height and serve the society and needy people very well. Thank you for all your support.
I am Dr. Lodaya, Consultant Director at Shri Bhanji D. Khimji Lifeline Hospital, Hubli. 2020 has been a bad year for everybody, including the doctors. But 2021 has been off to a great start. As we all know, in India, the incidence of diabetes mellitus has increased tremendously. And with the increase in incidence of diabetes mellitus, the incidence of kidney failure has also increased tremendously. But then, God sent Rotary Club Hubli South came forward with a dialysis project. And we did not even hesitate for a minute to take it up. And within a couple of months, we have been able to implement it. Now at the hospital, we have 6 experienced intensivists and anesthetists who will provide 24/7 care for all these dialysis patients. Not only the care, but also at an affordable cost. I thank Rotary Club Hubli South for coming up with this project and making a new beginning at Shri Bhanji D. Khimji Lifeline Hospital. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. Rotary Club of Hubli South and Shri Bhanji D. Khimji Lifeline Hospital both together have come up with a great project of having a dialysis center with 6 machines installed with the help of the Rotary Foundation and making a project under global grant in collaboration with the Brazil Club. Friends, we had a dream to come true for having a dialysis center which will be giving services to the needy patients at very reasonable prices. And yes, we have come up with this. We are having 6 dialysis machines here and we will be giving services to the patients at very nominal price, that is in between 850 to 1000 rupees. And of course, along with that, we will be giving one dialysis free to one needy patient. This dream has come true with the help of all the members of Rotary Club of Hubli South and full-on support by the management of the hospital. We will be needing your support to make it big. Kindly support this project by the way of sponsoring the patients and making this project worthwhile. I, on behalf of Rotary Club of Hubli South, thanks everyone for this big success. Thank you.
So, good morning, friends. It gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate the dialysis center which is being installed at Sri Bhanji D. Khimji Medical Center in Hubli. I congratulate the team of Rotary Club Hubli South for this community project that they have installed. Friends, 6 units of dialysis have been installed here with couch and defibrillators, and I am very happy to tell you that 450 patients per day will be serviced on these 6 dialysis units. And also I thank Rotary Club Hubli South for providing free of cost service to 1 patient per day. It's a great human community project and a task that they have taken up, and I am very happy regarding this activity of Rotary Club Hubli South. So let me once again congratulate the team of Rotary Club Hubli South for having taken up this project in a big way. Special gratitude to Rotarian Anil Kumar Jain for the initiative that he has taken, and also I should not forget my international partner, the International District from Brazil, which has been an international partner in this project. So let's donate this project to the public, to the community, and let us work to serve the community in a better way. Thank you.